Ready to escape the world? The Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are here to redefine your peace with unmatched noise cancellation. Whether you're commuting, working, or just need a moment of quiet, these are truly the best noise-canceling headphones you can buy. What makes them special is Sony's industry-leading technology that silences distractions, transforming chaotic environments into serene personal soundscapes instantly. Plus, with an incredible 30-hour battery life, your music, podcasts, or calls won't cut out mid-flight or during a long workday. And the convenient multi-point connection means you can effortlessly switch between your laptop for work calls and your phone for music without ever repairing. Unlike other premium headphones, the WH-1000XM5 balances incredible sound quality with feather-light comfort, making them perfect for all-day wear. If you're looking for the ultimate audio upgrade for 2025, these Sony headphones are a phenomenal investment. Don't miss out on experiencing superior sound and silence. Check them out via the Amazon link in the description below. From their sleek design to their powerful performance, these are the noise-canceling headphones redefining premium audio. For anyone serious about immersive sound and unparalleled quiet, I highly recommend the Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones. They are simply the best.